Welcome back to eCreativeAid. Melissa is a hardworking lady. She goes to work and takes care of her family. Suddenly, she started to feel dizzy, extreme fatigue, weakness, cold hands and feet, and she has brittle nails. These symptoms persisted for several days, and she stopped being active like she used to be. She went to the doctor, and he told her that she has iron deficiency. So he medically prescribed iron pills for her to take. Now, Melissa definitely needs to change her diet, because if she continues with a diet that doesn't contain iron and other important vitamins, she will have to keep taking those pills. So, what do you eat when you are iron deficient? Today I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious salad to prevent iron deficiency, anemia, and you can easily incorporate it in your diet. First, we need 2 pomegranates, 1 small bundle of parsley, and 3 beetroots. Start by cutting up the beets in halves and putting them in a pot and boil them in water. Then you can start chopping the parsley like so. After that, you can start peeling the pomegranates. Then we need to squeeze a big lemon, 2 lemons if they're small. Once the beets are boiled, peel them and start slicing them like so. Of course, slicing well never works if you don't have a sharp knife. In a bowl, put the beets, then the parsley, then add the pomegranates. Add the lemon juice and drizzle some extra virgin olive oil. Add a bit of salt and mix well. And look at those beautiful vibrant colors. Try to eat at least 1/3 of this salad portion once a day, 4 times a week. And this is it. Thank you for watching. And if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.